Hi, do you work with a group of people and you communicate with them concurrently a lot? If you are and you're still using the walkie-talkie or shouting at them with the hailer, well, enough of this. I'm going to introduce to you the Saramonic WiTalk9 communication headsets. These headsets are the newest in the market, truly powerful, feature-packed, and you're gonna love the price. This is truly affordable. The best part is I'm inviting you to the launch of Saramonic WiTalk9 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And I'll be talking in this event, sharing with you the experience that I have with the WiTalk9 with my crew in my daily filming as a production company and a studio. How the WiTalk9 changes the way that we work. We are truly more efficient now because of the powerful features that they have. So hurry, scan this QR code, join this event, and the best part is you stand the chance to win the WiTalk9 5 units communication headset. And you also stand to win the Saramonic award-winning microphones. So hurry, I'll see you in this event, scan this QR code, see ya.